Ah, here the flying Dolphin. What do we make it? 19 maybe coming in. I have a feeling it's a bit adventurous. It's maybe a little more than 30 years old, made in Russia, in Soviet Union. This is a hydrofoil boat. It's very fast. It's a pity it's going slow in the harbor, so you can't see it. It probably travels about 70 kilometers per hour. You can see the foils down there on the right. The struts going down to the foils. It's a good Russian engineering. The engines are apparently these days German. I'm not sure. I think about two of them, 1,000 horsepower or 600 kilowatts. Takes 144 passengers. That's a great design.